Test drive the 2021 M2. The BMW M2 Performance Coupe continues to wow drivers with its driving experience. In addition, the latest technology features are in abundance, which includes the latest upgrade in the infotainment system. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.